Hey guys, Lily here, and welcome back to another quick little tutorial video. And today I am going to be helping you with how to enable location on Snapchat. So I'm going to walk you through the process of turning on the location feature on Snapchat so that you can always share your location with others. So let's get started right away. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. The very first thing you'll need to do is select the Bitmoji or the profile icon, which is located in the top left corner here. And after that, you'll need to press this gear icon, which is located at the top right of the screen. And then when you're on this screen, scroll down and you'll see my location. Tap on it. And as you can see, ghost mode is enabled, which means no one can see where I am and I'm not sharing my location. So go ahead and toggle that off and then tap on the enable location button. And I'll just tap allow. Snapchat can use my location while using the app. And then you can select who can see your location. So in this example, I'll simply tap my friends, and therefore, people who are my friends will be able to see my location and where I am. You can also see this right below the location requests section, where it says, allow friends to request my location. So they can request to see my location, and there you have it, so people should be able to see where you are, assuming they are your friends. At any time, you can adjust this, tweak the settings, as well as switch on ghost mode once again if you do not want anybody to be aware of your location. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.